How to sync Google Calendar on Asana. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to open our Asana account or log into our Asana account. So here I have mine logged in already. Now, in order for us to sync our calendar, simply go to my task here and click on the drop down. Now, here in the drop down, we can see sync to calendar, and let's copy the link that we have here for Google Calendar. Okay, once done copying, all we need to do is to open our Google Calendar. All right, so here I have my Google Calendar, and let's go to other calendars in here in this section in the left hand side and click on this plus button, and let's have from URL. Now let's paste on the URL link from Asana, and if you want to make the calendar publicly accessible, you can tick on the box, but if you want to keep it private, then just leave it as is and simply add calendar. And there you can see that it has been added to your calendar already. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.